Luna went into labor earlier than expected and gave birth in my shower. We had to transfer her and all her puppies to the new whelping box. Moving a new mother's puppies is extremely stressful to them, so I had to distract Luna by giving her a bath outside. She had a lot of afterbirth from the night before. While I was giving her a bath, my friend was transferring all the puppies from the shower to the new area. When Luna came back in, she was pretty stressed out. I tried to count them with her and show her that they're all there. Every time I tried to get out the whelping box, she started crying and jumping on me, so I had to sit in there with her for a little bit. She eventually calmed down, and Brody even helped us count the